Hi there, welcome back. So today we're going to talk about service kits. This is a service kit for a Continental GT. You've got the pollen filters, wiper blades, oil filter and a new sump plug. There's also a 40,000 mile kit that has some more items like spark plugs, inlet manifold gaskets, air filters. You can see an advantage with the pollen filters that we get are just the elements, whereas when you buy them from Bentley you have to buy the whole plastic surround, which is completely unnecessary, saves money. We do a discount on buying the service kit rather than buying the items individually. We also do service kits for earlier cars from 1965 onwards. Silver Shadow, which would include contact sets, the Turbo R, special air filters in the Turbo Rs, and yeah, we have a full range, so check out the full range online. Enjoy the rest of the summer.